Is your club car feeling a bit sluggish? Or are those pedals just not giving you the crisp response they used to? Well, this Panglong Club Car Precedent pedal assembly claims to completely revitalize your ride. And honestly, it delivers more than you might expect. You know that feeling when your golf cart just doesn't accelerate smoothly, or the brakes feel a little spongy? It can really take the fun out of a round or a leisurely drive. That's where this Panglong assembly steps in. It's designed as an OEM replacement, meaning it's built to meet or even exceed the original manufacturer's specifications. What really impressed us right off the bat is that it comes with a full conversion kit. This isn't just an accelerator pedal, it's a complete package that saves you the hassle of hunting down extra parts. That convenience alone is a huge win, making the replacement process much more straightforward and less time-consuming. The craftsmanship here is genuinely top-notch. Panglong used precise computer cutting technology and extensive measurement experiments to ensure this kit is virtually identical to the original. We're talking about a perfect adaptation, which translates directly into performance. Acceleration feels incredibly smooth, and the brakes engage without any obstruction whatsoever. After installing this, it truly feels like your golf cart has been given a new lease on life, almost like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Compatibility is broad, covering 2004 UP Precedent and onward models, as well as 2018 up-tempo electric or gas golf carts. It's universal for both first and second generation club cars, which is fantastic. Just a quick heads up for those with gasoline golf carts. You will need a throttle sensor for installation, and that particular part isn't included in this kit. So make sure you have that ready if you're running a gas model. For reference, it matches OEM numbers like 102,500,001 and 103,974,821, so you know you're getting a reliable, direct fit. Overall, if you're looking to refresh your golf cart's feel and performance without breaking the bank, this Panglong pedal assembly seems like a fantastic choice. It's a well-thought-out, high-quality replacement that genuinely makes a difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.